This is definitely one of the cooler things I have bought in a long time. Let's open up this cool aluminum box, and we get some instructions that are in multiple languages. We've got a charger for these two rechargeable batteries here. We've got a set of glasses that we'll go ahead and put on. Next, we have the blue laser itself. One side has a push button, the other side has screws for these different lenses. You can just unscrew this side, put the batteries in, positive side out or up, however you want to think of it, towards the cap. Put the cap back on, just a quick burst to show you what it looks like without the caps. But let's take a look at some of these caps. The first one here, how cool is that? What a neat pattern. The next one, star pattern. The next one is a really neat kind of tunnel effect. This one is a really neat sparkling sky star effect. And then this last one is the time warp. I don't know how to describe it. It is so neat with some smoke or bubbles. This one is super neat. This is a fun, high power blue light. Hope this helps.